First, ensure your Xumo Streambox is powered on and connected to Wi-Fi. Navigate to the App Store using your remote or voice command. Search for the app you want, such as YouTube TV or Netflix. Once you find the app, select Download or Install. The download time typically ranges from 1 to 5 minutes, depending on the app's size and your internet speed. Apps install automatically. You can manage your installed apps in the My Apps section, where you can uninstall, update, or prioritize apps. Remember that some apps may require specific permissions, like location access for regional content. Keep your apps up to date with the Auto Update feature. To enable it, go to Settings, Apps, Auto Update toggle. This ensures your apps have the latest bug fixes and features. The Xumo Streambox uses an over-the-air OTA update system to check for new app versions. For optimal performance, it's recommended to set updates to occur during off-peak hours, like 2 to 4 a.m. The Xumo Streambox has 32 gigabytes of internal storage. Regularly monitor your storage usage to prevent download failures. You can also manage app permissions in the privacy settings, disabling trackers if desired. Doing this helps you maintain a smooth and secure streaming experience.